everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Art. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I am doing a video. This is an unboxing as well as a product review. Had this company reach out to me with their resin, and they sent me this box. It's JANCHUN. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. I apologize. Crystal clear epoxy resin kit. And in the kit, you get lots of goodies. I got the resin. It's the hardener and the resin, equal parts. I sent all these little tools, a little tweezers and pipettes and some stir sticks. I got a lot of little alcohol inks. Alcohol inks, lots of cool colors in there. It came with some little containers to mix in, some more containers, and then some mica pieces. It's got a copper, a silver, and a gold. And then it also came with, looks like it has some gloves in here, maybe a silicone mat, the instructions, another maybe gloves. This came with two different trays. We have a square tray here. This, I think it's an ashtray. And then we have another round ashtray that we'll be doing. That looks pretty cool. I'm kind of excited to do these. These will be fun. So let's get to mixing. Like I said, this is the company. I will put a link in the description for them and their website, and possibly they're going to send me a discount code to use. Let's see. So one thing I can say about this resin, there's hardly any odor, which is really nice. It's more of a thinner resin, which I prefer. Looks like it cures between 8 to 24 hours. 8 hours, it'll be more of a tacky resin, but you can pour a second coat if that needed to be at that time. 12 hours, it will be dry to the touch. In 24 hours, it will be 95% cured with a full cure within 72 hours, which is good. This little pamphlet that it has application, how to use, problem solving, mixture pour, wait time, and some random questions, which is really nice. Precautions. Yeah, so this is nice. So this comes in the package, which is really nice to have. So what I'm going to do, I think with this one,
taking just be, don't take it, taking just don't be, and live my life. Don't take it personal, but I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in my...
Then with this, let's see. We have a violet and I think this pink. They're nice. They kind of have the twist cap and it's sealed there, so
come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I still like
So, yeah, I really like these molds. They're very nice. Didn't have anything leaning to a side, like I've had some different molds do that. And we'll check again here in 24 hours and see how they turned out. But yeah, I do like the resin. Like I said, it's equal parts A to B. This kit comes with all this stuff. It's really nice. You get quite a bit of stuff in there. A few of these little cups here. I think there's like about 4 or 5 of them in there. Maybe 3 or 5, something like that. And then the gold leaf, silver leaf, and copper. And then you got the silicone mat. And then the tweezers. You get some pipettes and some sticks, stir sticks. And then all the different alcohol inks came with, let's see, 12. You get 12 alcohol inks in the kit with some gloves here as well. So like I said, we'll let this set for the 24 hours and then we will come back and demold them. All right, everybody, we're back to do the demolding on demold and mold these, whatever you want to say. I think I'll start with this one first. It dried really nice. I don't see any bubbles in there at all. That's really awesome. Dried very clear. Look at that. Clear as glass. Very nice. I really like that. Sometimes you have resin when you do a mold and you have a bunch of air bubbles in there. And it's really nice. I see a couple little air bubbles, but not hardly any at all, which is awesome. All right, so there's that one. And it came out of the mold nice and easy, which is nice. Right back in the same position it's supposed to be in. Same with this one. Looks like it's stained a little bit, but the mold is nice. Very cool. Turned out really nice. Nice little ashtrays. So I have to say that I really like this resin. I'm going to try it on some different items. I want to try it and use it on one of my geodes as well, just to kind of see the working time I get with it. But oh my gosh, that is so beautiful and so clear. I love it. I have one big air bubble here, but that was my fault because I didn't get it when I was using the heat gun because it's right at the very top. But other than that, it's gorgeous. And the molds are so nice and really firm, sturdy molds. Even after we took it out, other than the staining a little bit, which is not going to make no difference on anything else. I'll clean it out with some rubbing alcohol and see if that takes it out. But otherwise, I mean, it's not going to make a difference. Sometimes that happens with the alcohol ink, but for the most part, I really like this resin. I will have a link in the description for you guys if you want to go and check it out, for their resin, or even for their molds. They have, like, all of this came in one kit. So I mean, you get a lot for you got the sticks, stir sticks, pipettes, gloves, 4 different containers, plus some little replacement containers, 3 different like gold leaves, the 2 molds, and then you get looks like a silicone mat as well, and then the 2 bottles of resin. This all comes in one kit, so that's a pretty nice kit, to be honest with you. And I really like it. It's really pretty. It's so nice and clear. And just the 24 hours, and it's nice and firm. Nice. So, I do recommend this. I will put a link in the description for these guys. I think I'm going to be having a discount code from them as well. And I will have all that in the description for you if you want to go and check them out. Try out their resin. I really like it. But like I said, I'm going to try it on one of my geodes and kind of see how that goes. And I might do another couple molds with the resin as well and see how much we get out of it. So I will bring you back for the next one. Alright, so I'm just going to bring them closer so you can see a close-up of them. But they're nice. The molds are really nice. It turned out really nice. Like I said, a little bit of staining, but other than that, you can see it's made of good quality. It's still is holding on to its shape without any warping of that now. And just look at how clear that is. Beautiful. Very pretty. And this mold, really nice. Made with good quality mold. I'm sure I could use it many times and it's still gonna hold its shape. And like I said, you get all of these alcohol inks. There was 12 of them in there. The pipettes and sticks, cups to mix with, the tweezers, the gold leaf and silver and copper, and then the resin. Mix A to B. So this is them. I will have a link in the description for them. Please go and check them out. I'm really pleased with their resin. Just from doing these 2 molds. Like, I just can't believe how nice and clear that was. Beautiful. Alright, thanks everybody for joining me. I hope everybody is doing well and staying healthy. Have a good day. Have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye-bye.